Hi everybody, this is Santosh here from People Pro, and I am here today to talk about SPA. No, not that SPA. This SPA stands for Save Papers Association. This is an association that has been started by a group of girls who are from 5th standard, and that's what got me going. Right now I'm going to talk to these girls and let's find out more about what exactly this SPA is all about. Hi girls.
Hi sir.
So I want you to first introduce yourself to all of us.
I am Jyoti from class 5th. Hi, I am Shakti from class 5th. Hi, I am Vaishnavi, a student in class 5th. Hi, I am Chinmay from class 5. Hi, I am Chandana from class 5. Hello, I am Ananya from class 5.
Okay girls, what is this SPA?
SPA is a Save Paper Association.
Okay, please be a little louder. And what do you do as a part of SPA? What does it stand for and what do you do?
We just do the things where we give from the waste paper, we'll go and give scrapbooks and all which children need. We also recycle those papers.
So basically you collect papers. So who got this idea for SPA? Okay, tell me, where did you get this idea from?
I collected this information from newspapers.
Okay, you got this idea from newspaper, is it? Okay, in this school, was it easy to get the permission to do the activities of SPA?
Yes, because our principal now allows us to do anything which is good. Because she also encouraged us more on this SPA.
And what exactly do you do here in school as a part of SPA?
We collect those papers and we recycle them, and we also help children do scrapbooks, and we also ask them to rub their and use the same paper again.
Okay, rather than wasting pages, you would rather want them to rub their whatever they have written in places where they can and reuse the paper. Now you said you're going to recycle the paper. How do you plan to do that?
Take the papers to home and we'll give to the shop. They'll give the money and we'll collect it.
So every day you'll go to each class. At the end of the day, you'll collect these papers. Then you'll take it back home. Is it?
Yeah. After taking it back home, we get the money and we see who's the best student and not wasting any papers. We'll get from the money which we have collected. We'll give them any surprise.
Oh, you'll give them a gift. Oh, that's really great. Okay, how has your parents' reaction been?
Our parents are very happy that we are from the time we are taking such a big responsibility.
Your parents are very happy and encouraging, is it?
Yes.
Are they, what is your response at home? Do you take the initiative even back at home to save paper?
Yes, sir.
No? So what's your plan there? You don't want to do that there?
We want to do, but even we will waste paper. We'll try to avoid it.
But this does, yes?
We also ask our neighbors not to waste paper. In our street, it's also a thing, kind of associations.
So even in your street, they are conscious of not throwing paper out on the road.
Yes. Even we also ask them not to throw the plastics.
And have students improved because of your initiative here?
Yes.
They have?
Yes.
Now they are not throwing as much as they used to throw.
First, when we go, they were not obeying us. They were just careless. And then later on, they were obeying. Because we made some leaders in each class, and so they used to write the names who used to waste the paper. So we could know that who is wasting paper. And we also helped them to make scrapbooks so they were also obeying our words.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell the viewers of this who are watching?
Yeah, we want to tell because everyone in the other schools are wasting papers. We are just here for our school, and we tell them the other schools also can start this one, and just even they can avoid wasting papers.
So an initiative like this, even in other schools, would do a lot more good, is what you are trying to say.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anything to add to this? Nothing?
We tell them not to waste paper.
Okay. Okay, everybody, thank you very much for the initiative you have taken, and hope you all, succeed a whole lot in this beautiful endeavor that you have undertaken. Yes?